In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Odoo. To do this, first simply going to open up Odoo, go to your account and then your databases, and from there just sign into the database that you want to connect to, and specifically the website, store, or blog. From there, once you're in the website editor, go to configuration and select domain name. Now here click my website is ready, and then here click use my own domain. Now from there type in www.yourdomain.com.store, whatever it is for you. So for example, for me, danimakestutorials.online. And now you will need to do a few things. So first create a CNAME record with www.yourdomain pointing to danimakestutorials.odoo.com. So simply copy what it says for you right here and then open up Namecheap. Then from within Namecheap, you will probably see this. So go to account and then dashboard. And here go to your domain list. And on the domain you want to connect, click manage. And here go to advanced DNS. Now if you have any DNS records currently that you don't want, you can simply go and remove those. And from there add a new record and select a CNAME record. Now for the host, just type in www. For the target, paste in what you just copied and click save changes. Now then there's one more thing that is optional, which is to add a URL redirect record. So currently it will only take you to your website on Odoo if they type in www, not if they just do your domain name. So what you can do is here for the host, type in www, and then here just enter your domain name without the www, but with HTTPS like this, and then click save changes, because then the domain with the www will be redirected to this domain as well. Now from there, after you do that, you can then click verify right here. Then it should say DNS configuration seems good. Then click I confirm it's done. And from there, go back to website and you now have connected your domain. That can take up to 48 hours to fully connect, but you have now taken all of the steps that you need to take. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Odoo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.